Vitamin C is one of the most common skincare ingredients that have been in existence for ages. But then a lot of people don't know that there are products that you're not supposed to merge together with vitamin C. And that is what today's video is all about. On this video, I'm going to be sharing some do's and don'ts of vitamin C. And I'm also going to be mentioning those skincare ingredients that in all you do, make sure that you don't pair them with vitamin C. If you do that, you're just going to be causing more damage to your skin. As a skincare junkie, I love to study every ingredient that is in my skincare products. I want to know what that ingredient does to the skin. I want to know the physiology from the physical to the cellular level. I love to know what that product does to my skin, both in the positive side and the negative side. Before we dive into that, please kindly like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips if you're yet to. So we're going to be starting with the do's of vitamin C. But before then, I want us to actually look at what this vitamin C is. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It actually works similarly with niacinamide. Both of them are antioxidants. What vitamin C does is it soaks up free radicals. It also absorbs toxins from the rays of the sun that has the potential of harming your skin. That is in the physical level. In the cellular level, that's to show you how vitamin C is very, very important. It works both in the physical and the cellular level. In the cellular level, what it does is it increases and boosts the production of collagen, also slightly reduce the production of melanin. That's the component that is responsible for the dark coloration of our skin. That is why vitamin C is a very, very strong brightening agent. Now that we have a knowledge of what vitamin C actually does to the skin, now let's look at the do's of vitamin C. The first do's of vitamin C, like what you should do with your vitamin C, is you should make sure that there is vitamin C in your skincare routine, especially your morning routine. In your morning routine, if you don't have vitamin C or hyaluronic acid, then girl, trust me, I don't know what you're doing. Vitamin C or niacinamide, they are very, very, very important in every skincare routine, especially your morning routine. Before you step out of the house, make sure you apply vitamin C. It is very, very important. It's going to help to protect your skin and also help to absorb toxins that your skin will come in contact with during the day. The number two thing you should do with your vitamin C is use your vitamin C daily, at least once in a day, and be consistent. Guys, I'm not saying you should use it today and then in the next 3 weeks you'll not remember to use it again. No, be consistent. If you want to see results, be consistent, especially in your serums. There are a lot of vitamin C serums that are flying up and down, but a lot of people are complaining that it's not working for them because they are not consistent and they don't even have the patience. So just be patient. If you are consistent, guys, you're going to see results. The number 3 thing you should do with your vitamin C is use it with a sunscreen. Guys, yes, we all know that vitamin C can help to protect you from the harmful rays of the sun, and they are going to help to suck in free radicals or harmful rays of the sun. Guys, imagine now pairing it with your sunscreen. It's going to do you a lot of good, guys. If you're using vitamin C during the day, please, using sunscreen is very, very, very important. Always apply your sunscreen once you have your vitamin C on, because vitamin C is very sensitive to the sun. So the sunscreen will help to give an extra layer of protection. The number 4 thing you should do with your vitamin C is use vitamin C and retinol if you are in your 30s. Okay, now if you're using a vitamin C serum and you also have a retinol serum, do not use them at a go. What you do is in your morning routine, use your vitamin C, and in your night routine, use your retinol. Guys, you're going to love your skin. All your aging symptoms are going to diminish drastically. All those wrinkles and fine lines. Guys, you're going to be aging backward. Try using vitamin C serum in your morning routine and a retinol serum in your night routine. Be consistent. Like the vitamin C, you can use your vitamin C serum every day. But your retinol serum, you want to be using the skin cycling method. That means you'll be rubbing it at least 3 or 2 times in a week. you don't use retinols every day, it's going to irritate your skin. But then be consistent with using vitamin C in your morning routine and retinol in your night routine. If you are in your 30s, guys, you're going to love your skin. Now, the fifth thing that you can do with your vitamin C is always buy vitamin C that are in a dark bottle like this. It can be either a dark brown bottle or a dark blue or a dark purple or even a dark this milk colors. These bottles that comes in a milk color. Guys, never buy vitamin C's that are in a light bottle. Studies has it that the UV ray has the potential of penetrating into light bottles, and if they penetrate into the bottle, they are going to destroy the active ingredients that are packed in that vitamin C that are supposed to help to protect your skin and do the job perfectly well. But these dark bottles, studies has it that they are UV resistant. All those harmful rays of the sun cannot penetrate dark bottles. So always go with vitamin C's that comes in dark bottles and stay away from those ones that has a light bottle or a transparent bottle. That is all said and done about the do's. Now let's look at the don'ts, guys. This is the part that you want to pay very close attention to, because this is where a lot of people are found wanting. The first don't when it comes to vitamin C is do not use vitamin C and retinol together at a go, like in a particular skincare routine. Let's just say in your morning routine, you apply vitamin C and apply retinol the same time. Guys, don't try that. That is very, very wrong. It is going to harm your skin. It is going to irritate your skin. Number two don'ts of vitamin C is do not use vitamin C with any AHA or BHA acid. That's all those glycolic acid, salicylic acid. They do not go well with vitamin C. If you must use vitamin C and all these acids, make sure you're using them on separate days if possible, or you will give them hours apart. You can decide to do your vitamin C in the morning and then you will do the AHA, the alpha hydroxylic acid, or the beta hydroxyl acid. That's the salicylic acid or glycolic acid. You can do them in the night. But to be on a safer side, I will actually advise you to use them on separate days entirely. Okay, you can decide that maybe a day that you want to use your glycolic acid or salicylic acid, you can decide to maybe just skip your vitamin C for that day if possible. Number three don't of vitamin C is do not use a very high dosage of vitamin C. Now, when it comes to dosage, the mistake that I see a lot of people are making is their face serum is vitamin C, their face cream is vitamin C, their body lotion is vitamin C, their bar soaps vitamin C, shower gel vitamin C, like everything in your routine is vitamin C. That is vitamin C abuse, guys. Trust me, you are never going to have an even skin tone with that. It is not going to work. You will continue to have hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. So learn how to at least, you don't need more than 1 or 2 vitamin C products in your skincare routine. Too much of everything is bad. The last don't of vitamin C is do not leave the lid of your vitamin C. That's the cap. Do not leave them open, guys. Remember we said the dark bottles are UV resistant, right? So always make sure that the caps are very, very closed. They are tightly closed. Okay, do not leave them open, because once you leave them open for a longer period of time, the UV rays can easily penetrate in those moments that you're leaving them open. So anytime you're applying your vitamin C serum, you want to be quick about it so that you can close it as fast as you can before those harmful UV rays that can get into the serum and destroy all the active ingredients in it get into it. So you want to be fast with it so that your serum will not be damaged, and at the end of the day you'll be applying and you'll be wondering why it is not working. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video, guys. Give me a very huge thumbs up. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first people to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.